Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Plus legally for free. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a secret trick to unlock ChatGPT Plus forever without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to permanently use ChatGPT Plus for free, because ChatGPT Plus is a paid subscription that includes benefits like higher users limit and access to premium features. However, OpenAI or selected partners may occasionally offer limited promotions, trial access, or special programs for eligible users. And to see whether any offers are available for your account, you need to sign into ChatGPT and check the upgrade or plans section. You need to avoid websites or apps claiming to generate free ChatGPT Plus accounts or activation codes, as many are scams that could compromise your account. So that was the legal way to use ChatGPT Plus in 2026. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.